Date sa labubo ko, te. Naiiyak na ako, te. First time ko lang kuha ng secret ng labubo. First time ko lang, te. Pinili ko lang yun. Yan, di ba nga, dalawang labubo. Tapos, pinili ko to. Tapos, secret. I'm so lucky. I'm so good at finding. It's like secret. May attachment ata ako na secret. Ganon. Tapos, mamay pa ako na bubo. I'm so excited. So, I'm just gonna get my labubu. I got my labubu here. So, may sticker to. Nalinagay ko para hindi mastol ni Zeke. Alam niyo kung bakit secret? Kasi maganda. Diba? Secret yan. Tapos yung mga iba wala. Like, yung kuya ko, yung labubo kulay brown. And walang ganito. Only like hollow lang. Gusto ko na dark ba yan? Dito? Or just for fun? Hindi ko alam. Or this is slime. Uy, jar lang. This is so fluffy. I wanna sleep on it. But it's my labubu. And I'm gonna update you tomorrow morning when I wake up. Of course. If I always wake up, I was like doing videos, yeah, when I wake up. Because I love you guys. And every single subscriber, I'm just gonna like and subscribe. Like every single one. So guys, bye-bye. Love you guys. So mag-update tayo sa sa fake next video, ma-fake order ako, te. So bye-bye guys. I am your mother. Oy, hindi pa na off.